Okay guys, we're gonna show you some secret spots on this map.
So the first thing you need to do to get on these weird Battlefights is to get on this truck and try to straight jump right here. And it's pretty easy. The recommended perks out there is Lightweight, Marathon Pro, and Commando Pro. Because if you fall down, you might get killed. So Commando Pro is not that. So it's pretty easy, and what? Just 2 seconds? Well, yeah, so long.
Okay guys, we're gonna show you some secret spots on this map.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do, go to the map and just find this body of the flying. And when you get to the top, you can reach here, right behind me. And this guy who's new, so. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can even do that. So, this is a very good for destroy. It's awesome for good snappers with it.